Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Debbie Oli. Thank you so much for tuning in. This channel is all about lifestyle, food, lots of interesting videos. Like everything is happening in this channel. Welcome to the family. I really appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can use socks, just normal socks like this, to make a mask, face mask for yourself. So let's get started. You guys, look at how this look on me. Look at how this look on me. Look at how this look on me. Isn't this beautiful? Hey, isn't that beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Hey, isn't this beautiful? Hey, 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 hey. Okay, you can decide to take it like this. Oh, it's very comfortable. Oh. You guys, this is actually very nice. You can breathe with it, and only that you can now cut it to your size. If you want it bigger, then you cut it a bit longer. Okay, so this is how to make a mask without anything, not even needle and thread, a machine, everything. You just need scissors and a socks, and then you get your face mask. It's very simple to make. You guys, make yours and tell me in the comment section. Oh, I love it. Like, I love the fact that it's very simple and very easy to make. It's very okay. Thank you all for watching to the end, and I hope you learned something. Oh, I wasn't looking at the camera, I was looking here. Oh my god. Okay, so it is very simple to make. Like, it is very easy. You don't need money, you don't need machine, you don't need hand thread or needle and thread to make this mask. It's that simple. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.